Alright, part 2. Yeah. You all blue now. Behold. How high can you jump? Lock ourselves on this impact. That's a dialogue change because in the past it's like, well, anyone likes me sincerely like you, but I've been killing people, so that's a dialogue change. Someone like you is really rare. So that's how people will know who likes me because I've been killing people. That's nice, I like that. I don't know that you go. Yeah, because it'll be just a dating thing. you pity. I will spare you, and I need you to accept my mercy. No, I can't even stop someone's weak review. I'm gonna be disappointed in me. I'm never join the Royal Guard, and my friend calling you means again. What should you say? Let's be friends, or really, you want to be friends with me? Well, I guess I can make an allowance for it. Wow, I have friends. Who knew it all? You make friends. Just like you all trust me. Not a lot. Okay, this is past. I'll give you the rest of the then reach out across the ladder. That's a magical step. Anything that's good. Nothing except the powerful stuff. Like you. That's why the king wants to very myself in this very this one's my king's service. Oh, I almost forgot to reach the exit. You have to pass through the king's castle. The king of all monsters. He is, well, he's a big fucking person. Everybody loves that guy. As soon as you just say, excuse me, Mr. Dreamer, can I please go home? The guy is ready to marry himself. That's awesome. I'll be a cool friend. Alright. I'm gonna heal myself. Alright. You know, the next save point is right through here, so let's just keep walking. We're gonna continue a little bit into Waterfall for a little bit. Maybe have a few more minutes. I mean, we should do that. Deals with determination. Okay, alright, we're not gonna be with Sans, okay? So, let's do it. Got the old... Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. Hi, and then, dude, I didn't know Garland here to call you about it earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly, but did I capture them? Well, no, I tried very hard on dying, but in the end, I failed. What? Well, I'm done. You don't trick me. You can see. I understand. Any way I can. The way she was staring at you, that was awesome. I'm so jealous. What do you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beating some bad guys. It's a good thing I went on the neutral path, huh? Well, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next video. See you guys.